In this video, I'm going to show you how to sell a stock using the Webull investing app. I'm also going to show you how to cancel a sell order as well. That way, if you change your mind, you know how to cancel that order. If you have any questions throughout this video, please leave them down in the comments below and I will answer every single one of them for you. Okay, so the first thing you're going to want to do is go ahead and open up your Webull investing app. And if you're not at the main screen yet, then tap that Webull logo down there at the bottom center. Now you have to, of course, have stock to sell. So in this case, I have this X1 stock to sell. I have 5 shares. I actually got this for free, so I didn't purchase this on my own. I got it from Webull, from their free stocks that they give out. So I'm going to tap into that. And down there at the bottom, you see sell. So this is where we're actually going to sell the stock. So I'm going to hit sell or tap sell. And then right here, here's all your information. So it tells you that you have 5 shares. The cost basis is $40.56. The current share right now is $29.02 per share. So right now I'm going to try to place a market order. So I'm going to just sell 1 share and I'm going to try to hit sell. Oh, I got an error. Now the reason I got an error is because I'm trying to place a market order. So a market order will only go through while the stock market is open with Webull. Now there's other investing apps out there that will let you place an order, a sell order, when the stock market is closed. So it kind of queues up the sell orders that you have. That way Monday morning when the stock market opens or the next day that the stock market opens, that order will go through. In the case of Webull, you can't actually place a market order unless the stock market is actually open. You know, the stock market is open from 9:30 a.m. Eastern Standard Time to 4 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. So I'm filming this on a Sunday, so technically I can't place a market order right now. But you can still place a trade. That way it'll go through hopefully sometime the next trading day. And in that case, you would want to do a limit order. So I'm going to hit limit right there, the left. And this is where you can go ahead and place a limit order. So a limit order is where you can choose the price that you want to sell the stock at. That's all it is. So limit price, $29.02. It's automatically going to fill that in based on what the current price per share is. So in this case, let's say I actually want to sell this stock once it hits, I'm gonna hit the plus symbol to make it go up. Let's say I want to sell the stock once it hits $29.50. There you go. Now, if you wanted to physically type in the number, if it's a larger number, you can always tap into to that little cell where it says $29.50, and you can type in the actual amount that you want. In this case, I'm good with the $29.50. Now, I want to sell, we'll say 1 share at $29.50 once the price actually hits that amount. So that's all I'm saying, is I'm saying, hey, Webull, once the price per share hits $29.50, then go ahead and place the order to sell this 1 share for me. If it doesn't hit that price, then don't sell. So that's all you're doing. Now, time enforced is also important. Time enforced just tells you how long you want this order to be out there open for. So in this case, it's for the day. So what you're essentially saying when you have day is, since I'm filming this on a Sunday, this would go through, or this would go from Monday morning at 9:30 a.m. to 4 p.m. I'm telling Webull to go ahead and try to sell 1 share for $29.50 for the day. And if you can't fill that order for $29.50 all day on Monday, then go ahead and cancel this order. So this limit order will be canceled. Now, if you say, well, I want it to last for longer than just 1 day, that's fine. You can do that. All you have to do is hit that drop down to the right of day, and you see GTC. So we're going to tap that. All GTC stands for is good till canceled. So this order will stay out there until you physically come in here and cancel it, or until this order actually gets filled. So essentially, I could just place this and I could just go away and forget about it, and Webull will be out there trying to sell 1 share for $29.50 for me until I come back in here and cancel it. If you're getting some value from this video, please do me a huge favor and smash that thumbs up button. So now we're ready to go ahead and sell. At the bottom left, you see the sell button, so we're going to tap sell. And you saw that that dropped into open orders right there. So now it's out there. They're going to try to fill that order for you and you're good to go. Now I'm going to head back to the main screen because I need to show you how to cancel this order as well. Hit back. Now we're at the main screen. Now say you place that order and it's open right now and it hasn't actually gotten filled. They haven't actually sold that stock for you. You can go ahead and cancel it if you really want to. Maybe you change your mind for whatever reason. In that case, at the main screen here, you're going to tap open orders. This is going to show you all of your open orders that you have right now that haven't actually gone through or haven't been AKA filled. So in this case, I just have the X1. So I'm going to go ahead. You can either tap the cancel all if you have a whole list of stocks that you want to cancel all of them at once, or if you just want to cancel one of them, in this case, we'll do X1. We're going to tap into that. And at the bottom left, you see cancel order. So maybe you change your mind and maybe you want to sell more shares. So if you want to modify this order, you can tap the modify order right there at the bottom center. In this case, we're going to cancel the order. They're just going to give you a warning that they're going to try to fill it for you. They're going to try to cancel this for you. They can't guarantee it, but while the stock market is open, they're going to do their best to. But since I'm doing this on a weekend or when the stock market is closed, this should go through no problem. But it's just a warning, just a heads up for you right now. They're going to do their best to cancel the order. It'll usually happen. They'll usually be able to cancel it, but just in case, there's your heads up from them. So we're going to hit yes. We want to cancel it. And you want to make sure that the order status is confirmed as canceled right there. This is one issue that I've seen with people is they hit cancel, then they close out of the Webull investing app very quickly without confirming that it's actually been canceled. And if you do that and it hasn't actually been canceled yet, then that just means that this order could still be open and you might end up selling stock that you didn't really want to. So don't necessarily do this and then close the app. At least make sure that you see it says canceled for sure. That way you don't get screwed over. If you want one free stock from Robinhood worth up to $200, then use my link down in the description of this video to open up an account. Once you open up an account, you have to deposit money within 30 days to get that free stock. Now, I personally did this and I got one free share of Facebook, which I think is around $250, $260 per share at this point. So it's possible to get a very expensive stock for free. Make sure to hit that thumbs up button before you go and check out these other how to investing app videos to your left next. I'll see you in the next one, friends. Done.